Rising COVID cases now forcing school districts across the country to scale back in-person classes.
It comes amid staff shortages and record low student attendance. And it's a pattern we're seeing nationwide and right here at home, with plenty of schools sending students home out of pure necessity. And the rise in COVID cases has our youth worried about their own safety. They're planning a sickout tomorrow, taking a stand against Seattle's Public Schools Administrative Board.
Yeah, Fox 13's Alejandra Guzman joins us live tonight, and she spoke with both students and educators. So what did they tell you?
Well, they tell us that they have demands that they say are very reasonable and attainable, and that they would make them feel safer at school. Right now, those students say enough is enough. They're tired of feeling scared, and all they want to do is focus on their education.
Every day when they come into the building and worry about, am I being safe right now? Am I gonna catch COVID? Am I gonna infect my family too?
A fear Delano Cordova says he or hundreds of others shouldn't as they begin to wrap up their senior year at Franklin High School.
We want to return back to normal, but we want to be safe while doing it.
Something the senior says is not possible when Franklin High School leads with the highest COVID case count, 89 in total. And after the district's COVID dashboard also showed 704 people contracted the virus in just a week's time, 145 staff members and 643 students.
We're actually planning a sickout tomorrow.
You heard that right. Students are taking a stand, hoping to send the school board members a clear message.
We, as students, don't feel safe currently, and we want to be able to focus on our education.
Students are sharing these images, asking the district to keep them safe at school. Their hope to talk to administrators tomorrow.
We need some more precautions put in place so that we can feel safe at school, like in the building.
These are their demands. N95s for everyone, weekly COVID testing, vaccine and booster clinics on campus, mental health therapists, contact tracing, and daily COVID updates.
What happens if the major demands you guys are asking for aren't met?
If they aren't met, we at Franklin have planned to continue our sickout the Tuesday that we are supposed to return to in-person learning.
This is a petition started by students on change.org urging parents, teachers, and staff to sign it. So far, it has more than 700 signatures. Stephanie Gallardo, a substitute at SPS and a 10-year educator, says she fully supports students. She doesn't feel safe going to work either.
They believe it's necessary. They're not seeing the precautions in place in the public school system.
We reached out to the school district, who declined to comment on the sickouts, but did say that they're working with public health, they're monitoring data, and they're communicating constantly with school leaders. Now, Franklin students did say that despite all that, their sickouts begin here at the John Stansford Center tomorrow as early as 11 in the morning. They're even already communicating with other students at other schools across the district to maximize their efforts. A second part of their demand, though, is to speak with Governor Inslee and talk about how their education is being handled amidst the pandemic. We're going to keep you posted both on air and online. In Seattle, I'm Alejandra Guzman. Back to you.
All right, thank you so much.